We're bringing you an incredible video today filled with crashes, instant karma, and total idiots with an IQ below 50 on the streets. Sit back, enjoy, and learn exactly what not to do when driving. When tailgating and being an impatient, reckless driver ends in instant karma. Perfect example. The black car ran a red light and got exactly what he deserved for it. Who cares if there's people behind me and I don't give them any time to react? I'm reversing now.
Really? Did you not hear me honk at you? I honked at you, so you just still go anyway? I honked at you. I was too close to you.
Another one. Doesn't care if anyone is in the way, they're turning now, no matter what. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Watch as this pickup truck skids on an icy road and causes a crash. Luckily, everyone left unharmed. Great control, but a very close call. Great idea! Let's block off a whole lane and almost cause a crash because I'd rather wait over here than over there. Zero IQ move. Illegal U-turn nearly ends in a crash, but luckily reaction time saved the driver.
Oh, hello. Oh, shit! Ooh.
Lesson learned: have some patience. Had all the time in the world to react, but still failed. This insanely crazy road rage ends with the truck driver getting served with satisfying instant karma. Watch till the end. Watch as the brakes fail on a wet, slippery road and cause a crash.
Idiot.
This car left the whole traffic confused. People really need to start reading the road a little better. Someone should let the driver know, as it seems he hasn't noticed that he's missing a whole tire.
There's one that looks like, you know, little silver daisies or something. I guess that's okay. Isn't that pretty? Yes, because I'm not going fast enough for her, I guess. Wait, what the heck is that? Yes. Good. I'm going the speed limit, lady. Just ignore it. I'm going 40, lady. It kept going like this, and I'm like, I'm going 40. And now she's doing a little snotty like this. Wow. Where's the one that's near the left? Yeah, in the block one to the left there.
All of that just to be stuck at a red light. Should probably look ahead to read the road before acting all crazy.
Before we go on the restaurant, I'm going to make sure I have the clip there, because that was wild.
Lumen immediately analyzes your metabolism, telling you if you're burning fat or carbs, and gives you tailored guidance to
This driver needs to make sure every package is delivered on time, no matter the consequences.